Hey mathematicians, let's do your homework. Okay, so today's homework has more problems on it than usual, but they are easier and faster than usual as well. So they're just like basic skills, quick, done. It doesn't take a lot of work. That being said, there are 20 of them, so I'm not going to model all of them. I'm going to model number 2 and a few others. So let's start with number 2. If I'm asking if the solution is, if it is a solution, I'm asking, is it basically true? So we have the equation y equals 1 plus x, and we have an ordered pair, x, y. So I'm asking you if it's true that x is 1 and y is 0. Is that true? Yes or no? That's how you solve those. Okay, now, I don't know what happened with my printer. I apologize. But for numbers 7 and 8, and all of the ones that say graph, the image didn't print. It's not the end of the world. You can draw them in. You're just going to draw a little number line like this. You get to, it's an open number line, so you get to like right where the numbers are. You know you need -1/2. Label this number. Maybe I'll call that 1, -1, and 0. And then you would graph this inequality with its open or closed circle and the arrow going in the right direction. Same one here, just sketch your little number line. You can see here for number 9 and number 16 and number 19, they were all supposed to have a picture of a little coordinate grid. It's not the end of the world that they didn't print. You can just sketch in your own. So for this one, you just have empty space and you would just draw a little coordinate grid right there, and then you can just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, find your point. Oh, -1, there's -1, -2, -1.5, or -1.5 goes between them. And I go up and down, 0 spaces. I'll plot my dot. And that's it. So just like sketch it out and add a few numbers for those, and then you can plot your point. Okay, so we did number 16, we did number 2, we did number 7. Let's do number 12 and number 18, and then you're going to do the rest on your own. Number 12. Write an inequality. Inequalities are these symbols. For the situation below, you must bring at least 2 pencils. Oops, sorry. Time to go get walkers. You must bring at least 2 pencils to math class. Can you bring more? Yes. Can you bring exactly 2? Yes. Can you bring less than 2? No. So that kind of questioning should help you decide what inequality symbol you're going to use. We also need a variable. Since we're talking about pencils, I'm going to choose P. Okay, can you bring more than 2 pencils to math class? Yes. Can you bring exactly 2 pencils to math class? Yes. Pencils is bigger than or equal to the number 2. That's your inequality. Last one, let's look at number 18. There are 12 boys who made the volleyball team. Good job. 25% of the boys who tried out made the team. So not everybody made the team. So this 12 boys is not everybody who tried out. They are a part. Part is 12. The total number of kids who tried out, we don't know, but we do know that it was 25% that made the team. So our part goes on top. We don't know the total. A percent is a fraction out of 100. I do not see a relationship between 12 and 25, but I do see one between 25 and 100, times 4. So 12 times 4 will give you the number of boys who tried out for the team. Don't forget that if it says graph, you need to either draw a coordinate plane or draw a number line, depending on what you're graphing. And other than that, everything printed appropriately, so wrap this on up. And, oh, it's not even 20, it's 19 questions. So hopefully this helped and you are almost done.